Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, stop everything you were doing because I just found the definition of a dream kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen, it's an experience. It's Modern Tudor meets organic, and they had a beautiful baby, right? Wow, the color palette is everything. Those cabinets are this perfect, sophisticated olive green. It's totally giving natural chic vibes, and it looks so rich next to the stone. Seriously, look at that stone fireplace. It anchors the whole room. They even installed the sink faucet right into it, which is genius. And the ceiling dames are massive, probably 10 feet up, making the whole space feel so grand and open. But the island? Oh my God, the island is the star. It's huge, maybe 9 feet long, topped with this gorgeous swirling quartzite. But then they added a live edge walnut slab for seating. A live edge! Honestly, it's a game changer. We've all been stuck in kitchens that are cramped or maybe just way too sterile white, right? This design fixes all of that. It's functional, it's warm, and that hammered copper hood over the range, it just screams texture and luxury. It takes away all the boring kitchen drama and replaces it with pure elegance. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.